Bye, babe. See ya. It's a beautiful Friday sunny morning here in Nanyuki. It's approximately 8:33. We left Nairobi at about 6:10. 17th of May 2024, and what a beautiful day. Look at that sun shining on my face. Just I look nice in the sun, and we are here in Nanyuki to check out our projects. We continue to showcase to you guys during this rainy season how our properties look, how things are faring on, plus to also do some more work in regards to filming our projects during this season, and to showcase some of the progress reports that we want to give some of our customers, and also to you who may be interested in our projects here in Nanyuki, specifically Acacia Cove, half-acre lots, master plan controlled development, going for only 5.49 million shillings. They can be yours if you're interested. So we're here, we've just arrived. We're at Soam's restaurant, beautiful spot. Today the sky is clear, no single cloud, and on our way here there was some rains, there was some mist, but Nanyuki is such a beautiful place. This is 8:30 in the morning. Wewe kwenye uko sahi Nairobi, jameni, ama kwenye uko kunakaa hivi, kumeng'ara hivi, clean air, it is, lungs feel revitalized, such a good space. So we're here with Natalie, we're here with Kev Ririani, drone flight captain, and myself, George Kagwe. So taking you on this journey, hope you've enjoyed the ride. Now let's go enjoy some breakfast. Ama vipi? Natalie, tunakula. Wende bwana. Yes, so we're now at our Acacia We're now at our Acacia Cove property, and it's now 10:55 a.m. So not bad in terms of timing. We came into Nanyuki town, down the Nanyuki Doldol route. which is approximately from the town. It's about 17 kilometers to site, 1.5 kilometers from Juakali Trading Center. We've seen some construction of the road still ongoing. Excavation of the road has happened, and I think now they're just waiting for the next phase, kuweka tamak, kuweka lami. Lovely place to be at right now in this morning on a Friday. Sindio, Natalie?
Yes, it's very lovely.
Very lovely, 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 lovely. It's quite green. Grass has grown on the roads as well. Just shows you how fertile this place is. Virgin soil. It's a fantastic sight to see. For those who may not know about our Keja Cove property, it's half-acre lots. In total, this whole property is approximately 47 acres, and we subdivided it into half-acre lots, change of use from agricultural to residential, half-acre master planned, controlled developed properties, going for only 5.49 million for now. When coming in, we're also just able to showcase to you the construction of our gatehouse, which has already commenced. Steelworks has already been done. They are now doing the foundational concrete. Very soon we'll be able to be seeing the whole gatehouse coming to fruition. And when that happens, you all know what happens in terms of commercials of this property. Things might change. Things will change. Change is inevitable. So grab yours right now if you can. Wherever you are, if you're in the diaspora, hit us up and we'll be able to walk you through how you can be able to own this property. If you're a foreigner, we can be able to facilitate and guide you on how you can be able to change it from freehold, because it's freehold, into leasehold for you to be able to own. This place is conducive and fantastic for you to have a holiday home. Right now on this side we can see the foot of Mount Kenya. She's shy, but when we were coming in the morning we were able to see it quite clearly even when we were having breakfast. And this other side, Aberdare Ranges, so it's fantastic. Just a great place for you to be able to have your holiday home, weekend home, or just your home if you want to retire, if you want to be able to live within the Nanyuki area. This is a fantastic place. Listen to that. It's just insects, birds, and us over here. That's all you hear. Yeah, quiet, peaceful. It's a fantastic place to be. We've had people asking questions. Right now we're just showing you, aerial footage of the dam. We are right close to Karyonga Dam. For those who had questions, we were just told it rained here about 2 days ago. It rained here in Nanyuki quite heavily. It's been raining all through the country. We've not experienced any form of overflow of the dam into our property. We had a question from YouTube, and so this is us showing you how this place is. No single way we can be able even to see that water cut through our roads. It's just vegetation. We came in a car and nowhere have we even witnessed a bump or any ditch, nothing. This is it. We're showing you live on location on the 17th of May 2024, a day after the commencement of the 7-day storms that we will witness here in this country as per the meteorological department. But hope you appreciate the fact that we are bringing you with us. We are showcasing these properties of ours to you so that you can see how they look like during these rainy seasons. So enjoy this b-roll of the property on different drone shots that we've taken, so that then you can witness for yourself. It's not just us saying, be the judge of what you see. Welcome to Acacia Cove. So, ladies and gentlemen, we are yet again at another undisclosed location within Laikipia. Again, just coming to see and survey the area. Kama mnavyoona tunachukua, mnasikia huyo nyuki munayemuona sasa. Again, just coming to check on the property. Part of what we do, how we do, where we do it, and when we do it. You can see, nyazi imefika gari hadi unaona vizuri sana hapo. Tutafikiria venye tutafanyia hii nyazi, labda tulete tumbuzi. Tutauzia December. Mtakata kweli hii nyazi organic. So stay tuned. Hii mtapenda. Hii mtapenda. Back in Nairobi. Hope you enjoyed that. Hope you enjoyed the fact that we took you on the road with us. Hope you appreciate the fact that we went and displayed live on location on our Acacia Cove properties and how Nanyuki is faring on. It's very important for us to do this as part of our transparency process, as part of facilitating and ensuring that you get some great land investment opportunities. And if you're interested in Acacia Cove, please be sure to hit us up from wherever you are in the world. If you're a foreigner, we'll be able to facilitate and handhold you through the process of ensuring that you own a piece of Acacia Cove as a leasehold property. And thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Hit the notification bell icon. From myself, George Kagwe, from Kevin Ridiani, our drone captain pilot, from Natalie Azewe Nyamiro. It is adios muchachos. Until next time. Yeah.